yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Kevin. Tonight we are going to do a steak teriyaki stir fry. So we have our steak here, some of our teriyaki sauce, some fresh vegetables. We got corn, cauliflower, yellow beans, green beans, some soy sauce because it goes in the mix, and we got these package of like ramen noodles. We're not using the seasoning, but we are going to use the noodles. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to cut the steak up in some thin slices. And I've already added some olive oil into my pan. Just trimming down a little bit of this fat off of here because I really don't need it. It means I'm not grilling. Okay. All right. So that's all cut up, ready to go. I'm going to start cooking, getting the steak going, and then I'll add the vegetables, get them all cooked up. But before we do that, I got to mix my sauce. Okay, I'm ready to mix the sauce. Like I said, we're just using a Clubhouse teriyaki stir fry sauce. And normally when I do our stir fries, I always find that the one package it's not always enough. So 2 packs of the stir fry, 2 cups of water, and because we're 2 packages, it will be 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just double checking to make sure. Okay. I had enough. I wasn't sure if I'd have to open up my new bottle or not. That's it. We're going to leave that, and we're going to go over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, the steak has started to cook. start adding their veggies. And we're just going to let that cook down. I'll bring you back when we add the sauce in. Okay, it is time to add the sauce. So when we make stir fries, we still like our vegetables a little al dente. Bring this back up and it will thicken up when it starts getting hot again. Just like that. It's all nice and thick. Shut that off. And I'm just boiling our water right now for the noodles. And so when we're ready to plate, we'll bring everybody back. Okay, we are ready to plate. Smells very good.
We've never used that seasoning pack before.
No, we have not. No. So there we go. We will meet you over at the table for the taste test. It smells good. Like Kelly said, we've never used that package before. I'm just going to try a little bit of some noodles. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's good. It's delicious. Well, that's it. That's the cooking with Kevin video for tonight with our steak teriyaki stir fry. So thanks for joining us again this week. We'll see everybody later.